Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Anybody tell me? Yeah. Anybody attending a previous classes, what I am telling, some environment settings I told no in SQL plus tool, and immediately I started Oracle 19C software installation process. Anybody not attending means just observe the video classes. Through that one easily you are installing a Oracle software. All are installing or not? Anybody attending means those persons are installing. I think ORCL is a what? Global database name, password, any password you are giving, and don't select a container database. Don't select give a what pluggable database name. Up to that one we are discussing. Maybe so many fellows are installing. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. Very good. Suman, you are telling what installation? Great. Yes. One fellow is telling yes. Okay, yeah. Some newcomers are there. Don't worry. And now demo links are there. Through that one, observe it. Okay, yeah. Now extension of this one. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very important. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. Okay, na? Yeah. Observe it here. Observe it here. Why 19C I'm giving means you are understandable today. Now onwards different. And now that's why in a previous class slowly I told no. Yeah. Suppose I am also same like you installed Oracle software. Okay, Enterprise Edition. Just I am opening a what SQL plus tool. Slowly observe here. Practically different. Okay, yeah. Here in a MySQL database, MySQL you have an idea, no? Yeah, root is a keyword is there, no? Root is a what username and passwords are there. Same like Oracle side in a enter username. What is the default username? Very good. In Enterprise Edition, default username is system. Okay, but in Enterprise Edition, already I told no, we are installing a what Enterprise Edition. In Enterprise Edition, one extra user is there. What is that user? Anybody tell me? Very good. Scott is an extra user. Okay, na? Scott is an extra user in Enterprise Edition software. Already I told in a previous class. Now, Oracle said Scott is a extra user. Scott user having a what? A predefined tables, EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. That's why Scott user is a popular user. I know, you know, everyone knows. So many times I'm repeated in a previous classes, but some fellows are newcomers are there today class. That's why again I'm telling a what repeatedly. Okay, na? Yeah. Now observe here. Concentrate. Very interesting. Suppose I am thinking what Scott is an extra user, HR is an extra user. That's why Scott is a popular user. That's why I am typing a Scott user. Observe here, screen observe. I am pressing enter key. Password means installation time, whatever password is there, that password I am giving only. I am also here also thinking, oh, nothing is there. This is working, we are thinking. But unfortunately, Oracle 19C onwards, Scott user is unavailable. That's a problem. That's why 19C onwards we are telling. 19C onwards, Scott user unavailable. Why unavailable means I will tell you. Scott user unavailable. Not there really. And now here, yes, olden days really popular this one. But unfortunately, they are removing nowadays. Now here, check it out. I try to press enter key, it won't work. It will give us a what error, username, password, logon denied. But which user is available? System user is available. Observe here. System is a user. Installation time given password. Today we are changing that password also. I will tell you. And now here that is connected to the where? Yes, Oracle 19C database Enterprise Edition. Okay, yeah. Up to this one, slowly observe it here. Okay, installation previous class. You have an idea? Observe it here. Open SQL plus tool, that extension. Yes, previous class extension. Enter username Scott. You are typing. For example, in that class Tiger, I am typing. No? Installation time password. Yes, here invalid username and login denied. Why? Because 19C onwards Scott user is not available. Just a solution I'm giving. System user connect to the where Oracle database 19C Enterprise Edition. Suppose you want Scott user same like a olden days softwares. How can I miss? I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, up to this one you have an idea, no? Yeah, here. I want same like a Scott user nowadays. Scott user also I want. How can I miss? Oracle Corporation giving a solution. How means I will tell you. Take a snap this one first. 19C onwards. Open SQL plus 2. Take a snap through mobile. Newcomers also take a snap because previous class knowledge base only this extension is understandable. Complete fast. Did you complete this one? Yeah. Next, this one also take a snap. Newcomers may slowly observe it here because they are confusing. Complete fast. Did you complete this one? Yeah, very good. Complete. Very good. Now observe here. Now observe here. Suppose same like a Scott user. Nowadays also you are trying to create a Scott user. For example, olden days like Scott user you want to create. Possible, possible. But some knowledge is required, but not a problem. Today blindly I will tell you why, because in a future you are familiar, but today you don't have an idea of these things. But just I'm typing, observe here. Suppose I want to create a Scott user, means here first you have to connect to admin user. Sys is a admin user is there, or system user also, don't worry. Password is sys. Now here only we are creating a user. How can I create a user? Username space is there. Okay, now Scott identified by password. In a password ABC XYZ or anything. But tiger I am giving, for example. Now after that one, grant some access is required. DBA is a role is there. What is role also you don't have an idea in this class, but just observe it here. These type of things we are giving, they're only working. DBA to username. Okay, yeah. Then only, yes, you are also connect to the where server by using a what olden days Scott user. No, nowadays also Scott user like this only possible in a user, but Scott is a name. They are providing only nothing. You are not knowing this one also not a problem. Why? Because you nowadays not required, but olden days so many fellows are good at what Scott user. That's why I am interested to create a what this user. Why? Because user creation, this DB access, connect access, resource access. In a future you are familiar DCL command side. Anybody interested means write it. Otherwise, first time newcomer, take a snap better. Suppose if you want Scott user, create user Scott identified by password, grant DBA to Scott. Here connect Scott and tiger. Take a snap this one. Complete. Did you complete this one? Now slowly observe it here. Why Scott user is a popular in a olden days? Predefined tables are there. What are the predefined tables are there? Already I told previous classes. No, EMP is a one table, DEPT is another table, sal grade is another table, bonus is another table. These are popular tables are available in Scott user. But now I try to type that EMP table. For example, just observe it here. Select star from here EMP. I'm typing. It is available or not available? Anybody guess it? Guess it. Maybe some Java developers are guessing. Scott user I am creating explicitly. In a olden days Scott user side those tables are there, but nowadays Scott user also not there, but I am creating explicitly. Now I try to check predefined tables are available in a Scott user or not. EMP, DEPT, like these type of predefined tables are available or not available. Very good, not available. Why? Because user also not there, means where the tables are there. Okay, that's why tables also not available, because there are all the things are removing. Okay, now yeah, table also not available. Observe here, very good. Error. So many fellows are telling not available. Correct. But these tables you want to retrieve from the database, means simple technique is there. What is that one? What they are telling the Oracle Corporation, in a net only demo bld.sql file is there. Demo bld.sql file. In this file only, now these all the predefined Scott schema tables are available. That's why maybe nowadays they are removing, I think. Demo bld.sql is a script file is there that is available in a net only. In a browser you have to open it, otherwise Google you have to open it, then you have to type it, demo bld.sql file. In that one predefined table script is there. Those script you are copy it and paste it in a where SQL prompt automatically created. Really correct. Now check it out. You want these tables means observe here Oracle Corporation giving like this. So now check it out. Screen observe it. Now here demo bld.sql file. Observe here. Here demo bld.sql I'm typing, but I am taking Oracle apps DNA site only, but you are taking any site also, not a problem. Here demo bld.sql file. Okay, yeah. Now in this one, first here observe here demo bld.sql is there or not? These are script table. Okay, script tables. Now check it out here. Here screen observe it. Here create table is there or not? Copy these tables from the net. In a olden days means table they are giving, but nowadays these type of script they are giving. Anybody interested means copying, otherwise they doesn't want means they doesn't want. But olden days this is there, but nowadays from the net. Okay, copy this one up to commit only. Okay, yeah, and then paste it at SQL prompt. Yes, observe it here. Yes, same like a olden days. Whatever tables are there nowadays, these tables also available. Scott user really not required. Why? Because in a user side also your copy it, paste it. Okay, yeah. System user side also your own user also in a future paste it. That's why maybe Scott user, these are all the things they are removing. Now, but still so many fellows are good at what Scott user. That's why I'm creating a what explicitly. Now check it out here. TEPT. Here I'm setting a what environment in a previous classes. And now here anybody attending means they have an idea. Now here check it out here. Observe it here. Now, yes. These tables are there or not? Yes, here. Predefined tables are available or not nowadays? And now here, yes. Okay, these tables through very quickest way you are learning. That's why same like these tables, SQL Server, MySQL also some seeded tables nowadays they are giving these companies. Otherwise, olden days these tables only copying. Nowadays also so many fellows are these tables copying in a where from the net and they are okay paste it in a where their environment. That's why here seeded tables are there in a net only. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Here now I am typing a what here. In this one select a star from emp like this only after this one. Okay, yeah. Here observe here table or view does not exist. This is a error. Suppose you want this tables means I am typing a what these things only. In Google we have to type demo bld.sql file for predefined Scott tables. For this one I'm using a what I am using a what Oracle apps DNA demo bld.sql file is there in a net. Copy those tables and then paste it in SQL prompt. Take a snap. One fellow is asking only Murali sir, what is the structure in a where? In SQL, structure means data definition language, DDL, DML, these all the things are there next. Don't worry. Okay, now up to now SQL we are not discussing. This is only software installation and also some settings. Okay, yeah. Next SQL language is there. Very good. That's why first onwards you are attending is easy. Complete. That's why don't miss the classes. First initial stage important. Later you are only interacting all the things. Hello, hello, hello. Did you complete this one fast? Complete. Hello, hello, hello. Anybody installed Oracle software? Me, these also try it. Okay, yeah. Completed this one? Yes. Okay, and now check it out. Already so many fellows are asking only Murali sir again explain what installation. Already I told no in a previous classes. Very easy installation process. Okay, now observe it here. Next demo class that okay PDF demo classes are there. You have to click those links only. Maybe in that one that will be there. Don't worry. You have to refer it. Time waste only. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Very important. Now observe it here. Most powerful. Now suppose another settings I will tell you now. Suppose screen observe it. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software. Slowly observe it here. Suppose whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, here SQL plus tool is there. No? Yes. In this tool, I am typing a what? One user, Scott is extra user. Okay, yeah. But I'm forgetting a what? Password. Password means installation time given password. No? Yeah. Yesterday or previous class, otherwise 1 month back or 1 year back, I'm giving a what password, for example. But I'm forgetting that password. For example, a wrong side I'm typing. Okay, na? Yeah. I'm not remembering that one. But how can I? So now here now I am unable to. So now here yes remember that one for example. But how can I recollect that one? Means there is no chance. Encrypted form is there in a database only. That's why if you want to interested to outside change the password means possible. How means suppose this password you are forgetting also don't afraid only. If you want to change the password means simple technique is there. First you have to connect to where super user. This is a admin user is there super user. First we have to connect to super user or admin user. In that admin user, some commands are there. You type that commands, then automatically password is changing. Suppose, for example, and now screen observed here. First, I'm connecting to the where admin user sys as sysdba. This is a admin user. This password is sys, predefined password. Now check it out. Here now you are typing a what some commands. Alter username. Which one? Scott. Identified by password. ABC. I'm giving my interest purpose. Then only now you are connecting where Scott user and also ABC possible. Simple. Suppose your system is a user is there, no, that user password also you are interested to change possible. Okay, outside real time is not possible. Why? Because real time restrictions are there, triggers they are writing, because you are also changing, anybody also changing means totally so now security is not there. Okay, outside possible. Okay, yeah. Now observe here, suppose anybody interested to change system password means not sys password, system password means system user password means now tell me anybody alter. First we have to connect to where admin user sys as sysdba, password is sys. Now alter username system identified by password anything xyz abc anything. Now connect here system user and also xyz possible or not? Yes, outside you are interested to change a what? Yes, passwords possible only. What is the syntax means? 1 minute observe here. In Oracle we can also change passwords for users. In this case, first we must connect to super user. In Oracle, super user is sys user. Yes, this sys user password also sys. Very clearly, I am writing your notes also. Just you are reading also, you are understandable. First time only, slowly reading and you are trying means understandable. Later, very fast. Take a snap this one. Take a snap fast. Okay. Now this syntax is also better to know. Why? Because you are a first time newcomer. No? For changing password means SQL prompt means CON means connection. Sys space as space sysdba. Press enter key. Enter password means SYS you have to type it. This is sys user password, admin user password. This we cannot change. Okay. Yeah. This encrypted form it will not display. Okay. Yeah. Then syntax is alter user username identified by new password they are giving. Then SQL prompt connect username and password. Take a snap this one through mobile. Easily you are reading this one means you are also checking. I will show you again. Why? Because some fellows are first time newcomer confusing. Maybe today you are also newcomers also try it installation process previous demo classes based. Okay, yeah. Once trying means then practical I will show you. Finished? Yes, fast. Now check it out. Observe here. Again, I will show you. Suppose whenever anybody, now check it out. Concentrate here. Installing a what? Oracle software. Now, whenever installing Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is there. Already I told no. In that one, some users you are entering. One default user, Scott user in a olden days, extra user is there. Okay. This password you are forgetting. For example, okay, anything I am typing only forgetting. For example, if you want interested to change this password means how can I sys as sysdba, okay, yeah, password sys like this. Now here only alter user spaces are there. Username Scott identified by in a new password, okay, yeah, your own wish. Now here then only you have to connect where that username and password like this. Now can we change a system user password also possible? Possible. How can I first any these type of things we are performing we have to connect to sys user, that is the admin user, super user. Sys as sysdba, here password is sys. Now alter user username system identified by password, okay, yeah, like this. Anything, okay, yeah. I am typing about olden days manager, these type of things are there. Nowadays nobody using those things. System and manager like possible or not possible. So now here exit, simple. Now based on that one you have to connect to where here, oh maybe Scott user, which password you are giving, that one that is not visible also, yes, connected or not, yes. Now check it out, concentrate here again, concentrate. Suppose some pillows are first, okay, this example, now check it out. First observe here, go to SQL prompt CONN, 1 minute only, Scott and a tiger like this, for example, okay, yeah. Now you are interested to change a what this password, okay, ABC I'm changing in that class. Take a snap this one, you are also try it. Maybe newcomer also slowly trying this. You are only trying means you are remembering, okay, yeah. Now here system user password also you have to change it like this. Okay, you are interested means you have to change it. Just practice purpose is all. That not a mandatory. Now 1 minute observe here. 1 minute only. Again another settings. Last settings I will tell you now. Suppose screen observe it. Now last settings. Now observe it here. Suppose whenever I am also you are also installing a Oracle software SQL plus tool is there. How you are opening a what that SQL plus tool in a previous class? Start 1 minute observe here. Here Oracle DB home is there, no? Yeah, here we are clicking this one. Here SQL plus is there, no? Yeah, anybody installing means they have an idea. But here black screen is visible background. Okay, background color is black and the screen text color is white. But I don't want like this only. This is a command line interface. That is what command prompt only, same like a DOS prompt only, command prompt this one. Okay, yeah, but I don't want this one. I want to change background color of the SQL plus tool. I want to change text color of the SQL plus tool. Nowadays possible. Olden days that is not possible. Nowadays possible. How means I will tell you. Now check it out. 1 minute only. Here screen observe it. I'm changing a what color. Here observe here I'm changing a color. No? Yeah. You are also interested to change a what color. Suppose I'm changing a color like this white screen something only. But these type of things, how it is possible means Oracle Corporation giving a what simple technique. Same like other softwares, you must create a shortcut for SQL plus tool. Shortcut you are creating. Okay, yeah. Then only now some two changes are there. We are using means automatically you are changing a what? You are allowed to change color of the SQL plus tool means background color and text color you are changing possible. Now check it out. Suppose for example, screen observe it. I'm interested to change a color of the SQL plus tool means concentrate here. 1 minute concentrate. That notes is there. I will tell you. First observe here. Start. Here slowly observe here. Where the Oracle is available. SQL plus tool. Right click this one. And now in this right click, more is an option. Open that file location because shortcut form how you are creating you have an idea. No, same thing. Here right click. Here send to desktop create shortcut. Okay, yeah. Here only shortcut we are creating. Here this one. Just open this one. Here right click. Properties are there. Colors are there. Any color you are choosing your own wish. Here this color I am choosing. Now here properties. Here color. We are changing a what? Now here colors. We are changing a what? Screen text color. Your own wish. Any color also you are changing it. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I'm opening this one automatically changing the what color? No? Yeah. If you want to change color of the SQL plus tool, yes possible or not? Yes possible. Then only through the SQL language through we are operating a what data in a where database possible. Just this installation and settings only. And now here, suppose you want that nodes means settings and all these things. 1 minute. Steps wise I am writing. Observe it here. Suppose if you want to change the color of the SQL plus tool, then first we must create shortcut for SQL plus tool, then right click and then select properties and then change background color and also change text color. Take a snap this one. Your reading also understandable. Complete fast. Okay, na? Again last chance, I will show you. And now here, suppose you want to change that text of the SQL plus tool and background color of the SQL plus tool means 1 minute observed here. Practical observed here. This is SQL plus tool is there, no? Yeah, right click this one. First we need to create a shortcut now. Yeah, here open file location. Just here SQL plus tool, send it to here desktop. Create shortcut like this. Here open this one. Here right click, properties are there, no? In that one color is a tab is there. Here screen background color, your own wish. Any color also you have to choose it. And now here again right click, properties. Here colors. Here screen text color, your own wish. Here any color also you have to change it. Now here open this one. Yes, I'm changing. I want this one also or not. Yes, this is the way. Olden days it is not possible. Nowadays this is possible. Here onwards, once we are installing like this, then onwards any operations also we are allowed to perform daily SQL language through. Okay, yeah. Now here this script file you have to check it out. Here step 1 I am writing Oracle start. Okay, Windows side start Oracle ORADB home 1 SQL plus, right click more, open file location. Step 2, go to that SQL plus file and right click and send it to desktop. Create shortcut. Take a snap this one. Easy. One time you are checking is enough. You are reading and checking is enough. First time it will take a time. Later nothing. Complete. Next step 3. Take a snap. Okay, na? This is the installation process. Okay, na? Yeah, here. That's why anybody still not yet installed at least the previous steps also, then today install it. Why? Because once you are installing finished, then only we are starting actual subject. Okay, na? Yeah, practically we are learning, no, that is better because daily we are practicing only after data types and all these things. Okay, yeah. Today, everyone try to install. Please be install. Anybody interested to learn means please be install it. Once installing means then practically I will show you those all SQL language commands, what happened, what is that one, how we are writing. You are also practicing means you are remembering. Otherwise, no use. Simply you are listening means. Okay, na? That is tomorrow. We are starting only up to this one. Just I'm telling about small thing only installation process. Anybody not attending also don't worry. Demo classes just we have to click it and read one time only. Otherwise, observe one time enough. Through that one, install it. Okay, na? Yeah. Otherwise, in a net only, YouTube's only, these type of so many articles are there. Installation, you have to check it out and install it. But installation, your own way, better option. Okay, na? Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Tomorrow continue. Thank you.